Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to stop someone, others or friends to post on your timeline or profile. You need to go to your profile or on the home page. Go to your profile icon, click here and go to setting and privacy. Go to settings and then go to profile and tagging. And under profile, you can post on your profile. By default, friends is selected. You need to click here and choose only me. And done. So now only you can post on your profile or timeline. If you want to allow again, then click here and choose friends and done. So in this way you can allow friends to post on your profile. Remember, only you and your friends can post on your timeline, but friends or others cannot post on your timeline. So this is the video tutorial. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.